In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach a web link to your sheet so your team can quickly access key resources while right where the work happens. First, head to the home area in Smartsheet. This is your central hub where you can start something new or jump into existing work. If you're setting this up for a new initiative, you can start a new project, program, or process from here. If you already have a place for this work, you can simply find it under the Suggested section, which surfaces items you've recently worked on or that have been shared with you. If you don't see what you need in Suggested, switch over to All Workspaces. This view shows every workspace you have access to, organized for broader teams or departments. Click into the relevant workspace to open it, then select the sheet where you want to add your hyperlink. Give the sheet a moment to load in grid view so you can access the right tools. To add the hyperlink, open the Attachments panel by clicking the paperclip icon. This panel is where you'll manage files and links connected to the sheet. Next, click Add. You'll see options for adding different kinds of attachments. Choose URL. This tells Smartsheet you're attaching a web address rather than uploading a file. In the URL window, choose Attach Link to proceed. You'll be asked for two pieces of information. In the link URL field, paste or type the full web address you want people to open. Make sure it's accurate and starts with HTTP or HTTPS so the link works correctly. Below that, you can add a link name. This is optional but recommended. A clear, human-friendly name like Project Brief or Vendor Portal makes it easier for teammates to recognize the link at a glance. When everything looks good, click Save. Your hyperlink is now attached to the sheet and will appear in the Attachments panel. Anyone with access to the sheet and the appropriate permissions can open it directly from there. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Use descriptive link names to cut down on confusion, especially if you'll add multiple links over time. If your link points to content that lives behind a login, confirm your collaborators have access on that destination site as well. And if the target page ever changes, return to the Attachments panel to update or replace the link so it stays current. That's it. You've added a clean, clickable hyperlink to your Smartsheet, making important information available right alongside your work.